A resource that most definitely will be required by your cloud PBX customers are phone numbers. These are also called DIDs, or Direct Inward Dial Numbers. When this phone number is dialed by anybody in the world, the call will ring on our customer's phone. So we need to set it up in our system. We'll be buying these DID numbers from another telecom operator. That might be a specialized DID carrier who trades numbers from different countries, or it could be a local operator who offers numbers from their own country. So let's assume that you found a suitable partner for getting DIDs, and they are called Y Telecom. Now we need to set those DIDs up. First of all, we're going to define a tariff that describes the per-minute rates the Y Telecom charges us for delivering incoming calls to us. We start just like with the other tariffs we created before. We choose Service Catalog, then Tariffs, then Create. We name this tariff Y Telecom Incoming. Leave the currency as US dollars and set the service as voice calls. But now we are choosing Applied to Vendor, since this is a tariff which we will use to calculate our costs. In other words, the amount this vendor charges us. Then we click Save. Then we choose Rates. And here, typically whether it is a Canadian or European phone number. For example, the incoming rate is going to be 0. So again, instead of having to create multiple individual rates for the different phone prefixes, all with 0 price, I can apply a wildcard destination using the pipe symbol, which means this rate would match any phone number in any country. So for all calls coming from this vendor, the price is going to be 0 cents per minute. However, in the case of toll-free numbers, such as 1-800, typically there is a cost per minute involved. So we're going to reflect that here and create rates for toll-free prefixes like 1-800 and others. In your real scenario, it may be a bit more complex, but you get the idea.